Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragunov. To start, focus on his aggressive, close-range style. Dragunov's strength lies in his relentless pressure and tricky mix-ups, keeping opponents guessing. Master his quick pokes and powerful throws to open up defenses. Understanding his core game plan is the first step to dominating with this character. Now, let's look at some essential moves. His down 2-1 is a fantastic quick mid-poke, great for interrupting. The instant while running 2 is a powerful approach tool that covers significant distance. Practice basic combos, such as down forward 1, 4, 1+2, to maximize your damage output and capitalize on openings. Dragunov thrives on relentless pressure. Use moves that leave you at a plus frame advantage to keep your turn. Effectively mix up his powerful throws with quick low and mid attacks to break your opponent's guard. His running 2 is also excellent for carrying opponents to the wall, setting up even more dangerous situations. For advanced play, integrate Dragunov's Heat Engager into your combos for significant damage and extended pressure. Learning frame data is crucial for punishing your opponent's unsafe moves and maximizing your own offense. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.